So we'll first check to make sure the machine is centered. Looking at the pantograph, we can see that the arm is centered on the X position, and also we're lined up on the Y position. So since the machine started out centered, we'll go ahead and hit start. Normally at this phase you would have to manually move it using the arrow keys, but we'll skip that step and hit start. Starts with a series of X movements, and as you can see, the center table for the border frame and the Hcd2X is on here. Since we are looking for Y movement, we will focus in closely as soon as the test goes to the Y movement sections. So that's Y movement to the extreme front. Now Y movement to the extreme rear. You can see very little clearance during normal operation between the table and the bottom of the X carriage. There will be one more Y movement test. Stand by for it. So no apparent hits, no apparent scraping. All the while you can see daylight between the bottom of the X carriage and the top of the table. And to confirm, we'll go ahead and shut off the machine, and you can see that we can actually move this. And you can see even with full forward movement, the small air gap that you can see in the camera remains constant. So if properly installed, and when I installed this, I didn't try to pay attention to being dead level. I tried to actually skew this table so that it wouldn't be level, but you can see that even within the slightly loose tolerance limits of the attachment points, that it still stays relatively parallel during normal operation.